This installation video will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing your Wingman Tailgate Assist. Your Wingman Tailgate Assist will come with all of the necessary brackets and hardware specific to your truck. Installation will vary based on vehicle application, and some vehicles will use existing tailgate hardware and others will require the installation of a nut-sert. These instructions will cover both methods. Installation will require a 10mm open-ended wrench, 5mm Allen key, and 13mm socket on a ratchet. For trucks using existing tailgate hardware, loosen or remove the designated hardware from the tailgate and install the provided pivot point bracket using the factory and provided hardware. If your vehicle requires the installation of a nut-sert, install the supplied nut-sert onto the nut-sert tool and thread the bolt out until it barely protrudes from the bottom of the nut-sert. Then thread down the lock nut to the base of the tool. Insert the nut-sert and tool into the hole located on the driver's side of the tailgate by the tailgate hinge. Using a 5mm Allen key, hold the center bolt in place while rotating the lock nut down using a 10mm wrench. Tighten the lock nut completely to firmly press the nut-sert into the tailgate. Once it's pressed, loosen the center bolt from the nut-sert and remove the tool. Using a 13mm socket on a ratchet, remove the driver's side tailgate cable from the bed and install the new provided pivot point bracket behind the factory cable and secure it to the bed using the factory bolt. Connect one end of the hydraulic assist to the pivot ball on the bracket and the other end to the pivot ball on the tailgate. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed the installation of your new Torxe Wingman Tailgate Assist.